Welcome those who are watching my video. This is MD Umar Khan, mathematics teacher. My coaching center name is Maven Prodigy Study Center MPSC. I am going to upload the solutions of NCERT class 12 mathematics. Before going through the syllabus, I am going to remind you the concept of number system, what you have learned in the previous classes. This is very important topic because this number system, this basic concepts of number system will be used in the first chapter in relation and function. Whether you are class 10, 11 or 12, these topics will be very useful. So now let us start from number system. What is number system? The method of writing numbers is called number system, or it is a writing system for expressing numbers, that is a mathematical notation. Number 1, natural number. It is represented by capital N. The numbers that we use for counting are called natural numbers, or we can say counting numbers are called natural numbers. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3 and goes on continuously and indefinitely. There are infinite number of natural numbers. Number 2, whole numbers. It is represented by capital W. The natural numbers together with 0 are called whole numbers. And whole number starts from 0 and goes on continuously and indefinitely. It can be noted that all natural numbers are whole numbers because all natural numbers are included in whole numbers. But the converse is not true because 0 is not included in natural number. The difference is 0. I hope it's clear. Number 3, integer. What is integer? The whole numbers combining with negative natural numbers are called integers, or all numbers except fractions are called integers. Fractions are not integers. Let's see what is integers. This is the whole number part. Here, whole numbers combining with negative natural number. This is the whole number part, and this is the negative natural number. Combining all these numbers are called integers. Or we can represent 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 and goes on continuously and indefinitely. I hope it's clear. There are two types of integers. Number 1, positive integer. It is represented by capital I plus. It also starts from 1 and goes on continuously and indefinitely. And we can be noted that positive integers are equal to natural numbers. Natural numbers. Number 2, negative integer. It is represented by capital I minus. It starts from minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and goes on continuously and indefinitely. I hope it's clear. Number 4, rational number. What is rational number? A number which is in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0 is called rational number. That is, q is equal to p by q, where p, q belongs to I and q does not equal to 0. For example, 0, 1, minus 1, 1 upon 2, minus 2 upon 3, etc. A number which is in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Any number. And why q is not equal to 0? Because let us take any integer, for example 2, is divided by 0. If 2 divides by 0, then it equals infinity or meaningless or undefined. Therefore, infinity is not included in the rational number. Therefore, it is q is not equal to 0. I hope it's clear. Or every terminating or recurring decimal represents a rational number. For example, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, etc. Every terminating or recurring decimal. For example, 1 by 2 equals 0.5. Here, the decimal point is terminating. Or let us see another example. 1 by 3 is equal to 0.333. This is the recurring decimal. Rational numbers are terminating or recurring decimals. I hope it's clear. Then, number 5, irrational number. It is represented by Q dias. Irrational numbers are the numbers that cannot be expressed as a ratio of two integers. For example, row over 2, row over 3, row over 5, etc. These numbers cannot be expressed as ratio of two integers. Or irrational numbers are non-terminating and non-recurring decimals. For example, 0.50500500005 and goes on continuously and indefinitely. Same as number 2, 0.51511511115 and goes on continuously and indefinitely. These numbers are called irrational numbers if we want to express in decimals. Number 6, real number. It is represented by capital R. The rational number and irrational number together is called real number. Rational number plus irrational number is equal to real number. Number 7, complex number. It is represented by C or capital Z. Complex numbers are the numbers which is of the form a plus ib, where a and b are real numbers and I is the imaginary number, the square root of -1. That is C is equal to a plus ib, where a, b belongs to R and I is equal to root over -1. This is the imaginary number and I is, we can read a is iota. This is the imaginary number. Here the basic concepts of number system is completed, and it can be noted that these are the hereditary property. All natural numbers are whole numbers, all whole numbers are integers, all integers are rational numbers, all rational numbers are real numbers, all real numbers are complex number. This is the hereditary property. I hope it's clear. These are the basic concepts of number system. This is very important. If you have any doubt or if you want to ask any questions, please pose your question in the comment section. It's my pleasure to respond to your questions. So if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you all.